So hi everyone. My name is Komal Osta. I am a skin faculty for the VLCC School of Beauty. Okay. So today we have a topic that is a manual lymphatic drainage, which basically informed you about the drainage. So basically the drainage is a part which helps to remove the toxins from the skin, right? That is the something that is very important to remove it. So there are few points which we have already written. The first thing is the removal of toxin. Okay. The second is when the toxin will be removed, automatically what happens? The skin will become more clear. Whatever the dust, debris or the dead part we have, that is also going to be removed through the drainage. Okay. Next, it will be done through the nodes. As we know, in our body we have a multiple nodes. So you have to work on that particular nodes. Then only what happen? The drainage will be happen. So what is now nodes? In the nodes we have a lymph. Okay, lymph is like a fluid. So the blockage will be happen on that particular area. That is why the more toxin has been generated. So we are going to clear the blockage. So that blockage will be cleared through the massage. That is like a manual lymphatic drainage. Okay. Students, today I'll just show you the drainage, how we are doing. So on the dummy, we are going to perform it. So as we know, I have informed you, we have a different nodes. So from here, the nodes is going to start for the face, right? So we have a temporal, preauricular, postauricular, submandibular, submental, cervical, deep cervical and auxiliary. So the last, we have to come to the auxiliary and we have to pump out all the toxins. So through the excretion, when the excretion happen on the body, simultaneously, that time all the toxins will be removed. Okay, so I'll just show how to do that massage step. So you have to just drain it. There's no particular massage you have to work. So just keep your thumb here. So one, same will come little up, two, then little up, three. So we have collect on the temporal part. Now we'll come to the eyes. From the eyes again we'll come to the temporal. Same from eyes tear duct to the nose and drain to the preauricular node. Next again we'll come to the lip and now we'll come to the near of the nodes that we are having here, postauricular. Now again we'll come on the chin. 1, 2 and 3 and all should become on the postauricular because we have to collect on the nodes only, then only it will be work. Same come on the neck, we'll collect it on the next nodes. Okay, so the collection should be depend which is your nearest nodes. So that is my nearest nodes. Once I have done all the collection, now what we will do? We'll do the removal. So keep your hand here. Now through the nodes only we'll go till the last, that is the auxiliary, and we'll just do the pump out. 1, 2, 3, and each step should be performed for the three times. So this is how we are performing the drainage. Okay.